Hey, good evening. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. Okay, I want to look at some energy charts here. First of all, Denbury. This is starting to look real good. I wouldn't say just yet. It's still kind of tightening a bit. And if you look at where it was just a month ago and then how far it's fallen, it's 25%. That's a pretty big decline. And the reason that's important is because this leaves a lot of bag holders up here who are holding the stock. They don't like it. They're losing money. And so there's going to be some kind of excess supply here. So we want to see the stock kind of flatten out a little bit more, showing that it's kind of soaked up that supply, but then at the same time, it's holding. So it just kind of needs to tighten a bit more. But I definitely want to watch this stock, and here's why. If you look at, we're just looking at, I could even look at the, weekly charts. You look at the XLE, okay, it's working. You look at the XOP, it's working, and it's real close to really working. And then, you look at the XLE, it's working as well. So all of these ETFs are working really well. They're either breaking out or they are close to breaking out. Like this, you've got the price of oil. Working well too. I don't really track oil that much, just not what I do. But you've got the price of oil up, so energy is still the place to be. It has been that way for a while. You can look at ExxonMobil, can't buy it here, too high. Chevron, can't really buy it here, too high. You look at Halliburton, too high. Schlumberger, too high. But these are the ones that you want to be watching and then waiting patiently for a pullback. And that's when you hop on board. If Schlumberger pulls back here, a little more than 10% from where it is, then that could be a good entry for you. So anyway, that's all I got. Now, members, I have a pretty long strategy session for you tonight because I'm going a little bit deeper into certain aspects of trading that you need to know about. By the way, if you're not a member, this might be a good time for you to subscribe because it's that kind of market. And you do get a trial. So anyway, that's it. Hope everybody has a good evening.